ఇప్పుడు ఫుట్వేర్ అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ శ్రీ అరుణ్ కుమార్ గారిని వారిని కూడా కొద్ది నిమిషాలు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సబ్కో నమస్కార్ జీ. శివశంకర్ గారు, మిగిలిన మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను ఫుట్వేర్ అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్. నా పేరు చుక్కపల్లి అరుణ్ కుమార్ అండి, పాపులర్ స్మార్ట్ ఎండీని. మీకు అందరికీ తెలిసే ఉంటుంది పాపులర్ స్మార్ట్. మాకు సమస్యలు ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ప్రధానమైన సమస్య ఒకటి, ఫుట్వేర్ ఇండస్ట్రీ బాగా వీఆర్ సఫరింగ్ వెరీ హెవీలీ సార్. ఫ్రమ్ 2022 January 1st onwards, GST has been increased. Previously, GST was below 1,000 rupees is 5%. Above 1,000 rupees is 18%. Government of India made it below 1,000 rupees 12%. From 5 to it has been increased to 12%. Because of that, decreasing is not the problem. You see, suddenly from 5 it has gone to 12%. 2 years back we met you, sir, Om Prakash ji. We met you in Delhi on the dais of All India Footwear Association. We both were there, my friend and me. We have clearly explained it to you. The problem is, total Indian footwear market is 1 lakh crores now at present. In those 1 lakh crores, 80% is sale is below 1,000 rupees. Instead of 5% is attracting 12%. Because of that jump, so many industries are suffering. See, the thing is, sir, we collect from customer and pay to government. The problem is not that. Because of that jump, when it was 5%, everybody was paying taxes. Everybody is in the tax net. After it came into 12%, 50% of people gone into out of tax net. Now, I said 1 lakh crores of turnover is going on. Around 60,000 crores only being accounted. Remaining 40,000 crores are not being accounted. So, government is not getting the revenue. We are honest taxpayers from Andhra Pradesh. Because of some of them are not paying taxes, we are unable to compete with them. They are not at all paying tax. We are paying 12% tax. There is a difference of 12%. So rate difference is around 10%. Customers are directly going into neighboring shop. There, because of lesser rates, they are buying. We are heavily suffering there. Not only we, Uttar Pradesh is a big market for footwear. Lot of industries have around Delhi. In India, average consumption of footwear is 1.8 pair per citizen, sir. In China, it is 3 pairs. In United States, it is 6 pairs. The problem is, so much of business is going on, but that is not being accounted. Whereas honest taxpayers are suffering. So, for the last 2 years, we are appealing to Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Piyush Goyal ji. We have appealed several times to central government. But for the past 2.5 years, so many GST council meetings has been discussed. But they did not put our problem into agenda also. So I request all the big guns here, please kindly look into the matter. We are heavily suffering. I am representing around 45,000 people who are working in the footwear in Andhra Pradesh. So please take my request into consideration and put it to Government of India. Try to do something, sir. If you make that 5% again, 12% into 5% again, you will definitely get more tax. I think so many footwear people are there. They are also supporting me. Everybody is supporting me. Kindly, please address this issue. For giving me this opportunity, I thank Krishna Balaji Garu and Yogesh Garu. Thank you so much.